Hey everyone, so I've just arrived at Schiphol Airport, or Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam. We're going to make our way to Eindhoven. I'm waiting for Mr. Paul Watts to join me, and we're going to share a taxi down, and we're going to do a bit of a prep for our podcast tomorrow. And we've got 2 days with Joico Europe with the sales teams, I guess sales fitness training. So we're really looking forward to it. So there's some really good things planned for them as well. So as soon as Paul gets here, I'll fill you in. We'll have a bit of a chat with Paul. See you in a minute. So I've just got to my room, and look, I've already got some goodies here. Ooh. So let's see what's in the bag. There's always something that's nice and interesting in here. So let's check. 1 second. Cool down. So 7 o'clock in the morning. Oh, I've had about 5-6 hours sleep. Wasn't very good sleep last night. Go get up, quick shower, down to breakfast, meet Paul, and then on to the head office in Joico Helmond in the Experience Centre. So stay tuned. This is what it's like when travelling. Look how tired I am. Oh my god, I can't even see anything. I haven't got my glasses on, all my lenses in. So yes, stay tuned and follow my little journey. Cool down. So that's breakfast then. There's Paul.
Hello.
Hello mate. How was your breakfast?
Well, we've just gone through this. It was the best breakfast I've ever had here. I'm not saying it's the best ever. I had avocado toast, poached egg, bacon, and it was delicious.
What do you call these, Paul?
No, I don't. Jill calls these little willies.
I say speak for yourself. Anyway, Paul reckons his avocado is the best here. I reckon I do the best avocado ever.
I'm not saying that it's the best I've ever had in my life. I'm just saying it's the best thing I've had here as a breakfast.
See, what can I say? So we're all set up for the day. Off to the Experience Centre in Helmond, and then I'll be putting my contact lenses in later. But I might give my eyes a bit of a rest. And then we've got 5 models today.
5.
Paul's got 5 colours to do. 5. We've all got great names for them too. Go with the names.
So we've got maybe Grotox.
Grotox, which I love.
Yeah, something we're gonna like. We'll talk about later. We've got Milk, which is blonde. We've got Bangayage, which is a play on obviously balayage. He's gonna put some lovely bangs in. We have Cinnabar, which is our red. Copper. Yeah. We've got Glass.
That's it. That's the 5 for today. Paul's great at finding up great titles for what we're doing, so look forward to it. It's going to be fun working with Bona and Stefano as well. So see you later. Enjoy. That's my catchphrase. Enjoy. Oh, so we are end of day 1. All the models done. I've just had my own haircut actually. Paul's just given me the best haircut I've had for about 2 years. Amazing, thanks Paul. Paul's in there finishing Zen day, but the thing's all locked up. Even the video wall is off. So we've got to back into the studio. I was only intending to wear my glasses for the morning, but I've ended up wearing them all day. So I'm not going to put my lenses in for the rest of the day. So I've done 5 haircuts today. Then I cut Wendy's hair. Doesn't she look amazing? Yes, and then I cut the boss's hair. Danielle, she wanted a haircut too, so I've done that. So all that in a day's work.
You worked hard for the money.
I worked hard for the money today. So
yes.
This is the Experience Centre. So if you've not followed me and been on the Experience Centre before, this is what it looks like. You'll see a bit more of this tomorrow, and I'll be editing some of the looks we've done, and you'll see them all start to finish tomorrow, or after tomorrow when we've done the show or done the presentation. And then it'll all be on YouTube. I'll have to do some long videos, and I'll have some shorts there for you. So thanks for joining me, and thanks for subscribing and liking and supporting me throughout the journey I've had it on YouTube. Without you, I wouldn't have anything. My mentor here, Mr. Paul Watts Hair on YouTube, 110,000 subscribers. Amazing mentor, amazing coach, and he's got me to do all the YouTube stuff. Without him, I wouldn't have done it. So thanks, Paul. So yeah, tune in for the rest, and it's going to be, I think it's going to be a really cool day tomorrow, isn't it?
Oh, I can't wait. The models look banging. We've got some amazing transformations as well. So
Transformations, yeah, it's all about the transformation. Yeah. God, now he's a big one. Right, okay, we'll do it there, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Look for all the big ones. There's a sight-away lone hairdresser. How's your day been, mate?
good, mate.
Been
Good.
okay?
Yeah, tired.
Enjoyed?
But yeah, very much so.
Now we're just wandering aimlessly through the airport.
Yeah, earliest we've ever finished.
Yeah.
Been here for a good hour and a half already. Got another 4 to go.
Yeah. Let's try not to spend all our money.
No, I know you already bought that £1,000 jacket, ain't you?
Yeah, yeah.
That Balenciaga jacket.
Balenciaga, I like it.
And those trainers, bloody hell.
Oh, I know. Anyway, so that's us done for a, what was it, a sales training fitness session. My hair's standing up on end. We've been wandering, that's it. Go the wrong way. Why are we coming down this way? Okay, so we're yeah. So we've just been finished for the day earlier than expected. We just had some food, so we were hungry, and it was a good day.
Very good day, yeah.
There's a lot of information. It was a bit hectic.
Yeah.
Our timings had to change.
Our timers were perfect.
Our timings were fine, but we had to rejig. And Lane, whose event it was that we were supporting, it was like how she managed to cram all the information she did. Then I can't see how she did it. It was just bonkers. But it was a great event, and we've just announced on our own socials that we've got events coming up September, some big things. So jump over to content on
Stylish Blow Up.
Stylish Blow Up on
Club.
Stylish Blow Up Club on Facebook. Come over, join us from there, and you'll actually see what all the fuss is about and get involved. See you there.